me show you a few things that I just love. First of all, I saw this on Beauty on a Budget's channel, and that is our friend Bella, and she showed this. It's a cool, very cool mini tripod. Look how cute. You could hang it up from a tree, you could hang it up from a door, you could put it up really high, anywhere. It's great. It's very sturdy. It's got all kinds of screws and turns, and to make it, you can manipulate it, turn it all kinds of angles, and you can tighten it, and it's very sturdy. So it's a great one, and it's not expensive. So I'll put the link below. In fact, I put all links below about everything and everybody that I talk about, because I want it to be convenient for you. That's one thing. The other thing is, show you, is this hair color spray by ION. This is in Auburn. They did have a sale, buy 3, get 1 free. And this one by EverPro. This is in dark blonde. And then this one by L'Oreal. This is in dark blonde. I think this one is lightest brown, medium blonde. Lightest brown, medium blonde. This is a good color too. But this is a great color too. So and the other day, I think I put too much red in on camera. It just looked horrible. So like a sauce dropped on my head. So what I'm doing is, when I don't have time to dye my hair, my roots, I just do my roots all the time. This color was an exception, but I just spray it. I saw it first on TRISH, Beauty by Trish's channel, and I was amazed. I never used the spray color. So, and then JUNBUG had it, JUNBUG 1029. She had it on her channel. She loves it, and she puts it on wigs to darken the roots. It's a great idea. So I have to show you those before I put them away. And then my favorite hairspray, FRIZZ by John Frieda. It freezes your hair. I'm telling you, your hair just won't move. It's the best. You could pull your hair up high, you could spray it, and it stays all day. The other things I got were from Miss A, and I am in love with this BB cream. I got 2 backups in medium. I really like these. They're $1 each, girls. $1 each. Then I got this illuminating primer, and I just put it on my hand. Look at this. You see that shine? I put that on about 15 minutes ago. It forms I think I'm going to like this as a primer. It forms a nice coat. Very nice. Now, you see that lipstick? I did that like 3 days ago, and I have showered and bathed. But if you don't really put oil on that and take it off, it's not coming off. But these lipsticks for $1, they're amazing. This is a peachy pink. I'll put it right where I had the swatches. See that? It is gorgeous. And this is a pinky nude. That's a peachy nude. This is a pinky nude. Look at that. And, oh, wait till you see this one. Okay, this is the pink that hasn't come off. It still feels like just like lipstick. You know, it doesn't feel like it's drying, like really drying. And then this one is so cute. This one is a white pearl. And this you could lighten up anything. Look at this. See that? I could go right through. Look at that. Woo! I don't know where you want to put it. You might want to just lighten up your lipstick, but it's very cool. Okay, the other thing I found here, which is amazing, is this matte lipstick. It's called Flawless Lip Crayon. And look at this color. Look how much is in there. This was $1, girls, $1. And look at that, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that is a peachy nude. That is gorgeous. In fact, I hate to do this on camera. I always mess it up. Then when I go to edit, I go, why did I do that? It was okay before. But look how cute that is. That is really, really nice. And then I got these lip oils, and they're all scented grape and apple and lemon. Oh, they're just so cute. And they actually smell like the fruit. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I like it. If I put it on now on my long-lasting lipsticks that I have on, it will probably help remove it. The other thing I want to show you that is so cool is a contour stick. And I got it. Okay, look at this cute contour stick for $1. And look, it's kind of soft right now because this room is very hot. But look at this color. And I think I should put it on a clipboard so you can see the color even better. Okay, it's a taupe. It's very taupey. Look at that color. Isn't that great? So, you know, I would put it on my nose to make that cute little tip like that. You just put it on there. And then you could do this. You could put it all around. It's a good color. It's not warm. It's a grayish taupe. It's a taupe. It really is a taupe, and it's called Fawn. I think it is amazing. Okay, and then the last thing, no, not the last thing. Okay, I got this foundation, and I haven't tried it yet. I've just done swatches, but look how much is in there. Now, I don't know what it does for your skin. I don't know how it makes it look. I don't know if it's blurry. I don't know about the pores. I'm going to find out everything, but I had to show you. So look, I'll put it right here. And it is called Toffee. See that color? I'll put it on the clipboard and show you the color better because my hands are kind of tan from who knows what. From running errands. That's the only way I get color, and I put tons of sunscreen. That's Toffee. Look at that. And that's Fawn, the contour. Two colors are incredible. And I got this. This is called Color Board. You pick out your palette color that you want. I picked this out. And you pick out your own eyeshadows. So I picked out these 9 shadows. They came in individual little plastic bags, and I just put them in because they're all magnetic, and they're amazing. They really are amazing. You've got a shimmer, this is kind of a shimmer, I think. I'm not sure. But you've got all these taupees, you've got rust, you've got, this is the killer color of the year. This is the main color I wear. It just gives your face some warmth. It just brightens up your face instead of just brown. And I am a big brown, eyeshadow person, but this really brightens your face up. And if I show you a couple of swatches, you'll see what I mean. How great they are. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. You just pick out all your colors. They're $1 each. The payoff is amazing. I would never steer you wrong. You know that. I would never, ever steer you wrong. Because, you know, my granddaughters watch. I would never steer you wrong. Like, if they went out and bought this after I showed it and it wasn't really good, I would feel awful. So you know what I'm showing you. I would show my kids and my grandkids. It's so cute. I mean, this is all I need. This type of palette with these colors, and look at that. Look at these 4 colors. It's amazing. And then this one. Wow, I'm impressed. And this is my favorite all-time love, is the Meet Matrimony. This is a lot cheaper than this. They're both excellent. They're gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You see now we have the rust. Let's see, how can I show you this? Okay. We have the rust there and the rust there. We have the burgundy there and the burgundy here. You see this? And then see this? These are my favorite colors. Look at that. They're almost identical. And then you got the rust and the rust. Look at that. It's on the same family. It's just gorgeous colors, I'm telling you. Very flattering. Really, this is all you need in your life. And if you want, splurge $10 for this. And I'm gonna start doing videos during the week, and I'm just gonna surprise you what day. I don't know what day, but I'm not gonna do Saturdays. I think Saturdays people are busier because my views aren't that great on Saturday. I'm gonna try during the week. We all want to be recognized. If we're working hard for something, we want to have an audience. We want to have people that are commenting, that are watching, subscribing, sharing videos. We want to have that. You want to do well at everything that you do, right? It's just human nature. So I appreciate you all for being here, and I hope to see you next week. Love you all.